and to stay close. Again, the Orioles are not scoring a lot of runs early, so it's imperative that he gets out of the gate well tonight.
It was already. The 0-2 is a comebacker. Nice play.
By a hit against the left-hander.
And called out. Morel will hit the chopper. Hunter gets him. And Dunn will go down swinging. Ranks fourth in the American League in RBIs. In the air to left field. PA backing up on it. Quinton. This will be the third fly ball out of the ball game for him. The 0-1 delivery. A chopper down to first base. It is a fair ball. Davis will put the tag on. And a good hand from the fans for a 6 2/3 solid innings.